If you're past midlife, your body isn't quitting, but it is negotiating, and these choices decide the deal. Aging brings shifts, sure, yet slowing down is optional. With only 3 smart movements, you can protect strength, mobility, and independence for the long run. No machines, no memberships, no excuses, just practical action that pays off. Let's dive in because how you move today quietly shapes how you'll live tomorrow. These movements can completely rewrite how aging feels. First up, the squat. This pattern ranks among the most powerful actions you can practice because it trains several large muscles together, thighs, hips, and midsection working as one unit. Performed regularly, squats do more than tone your legs. They build real-life capability that supports confident movement every day. And it's not about looks alone. Squats guard against one of aging's biggest threats, declining balance paired with muscle loss. They prepare you to stand up from the floor, handle stairs, and carry groceries with ease as years pass. There's another upside too. Squatting encourages hormones linked to recovery, fat use, and muscle repair. Skip this habit and progress often stalls. Ready to feel the difference? Begin with 3 rounds of 10 to 15 repetitions. Prioritize clean technique, feet planted, chest lifted, motion smooth and controlled. As strength improves, advance to 4 rounds or introduce resistance to keep your body adapting and growing. Next comes the push-up, a classic for a reason. This single move trains chest, shoulders, arms, and core together while reinforcing posture and upper body stability. That support carries into nearly every other activity you do. Best part? Push-ups scale to anyone. New to training? Use knees or an elevated surface. Progress later to steeper angles, slower tempos, or added load for challenge. Small tweaks, big returns. Consistent push-ups don't just shape muscles, they reinforce the stabilizers that defend shoulders and spine, helping joints stay resilient and comfortable. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Match the variation to your ability, then gradually increase difficulty to gain muscle, reduce fat, and keep momentum. The final move looks simple but punches above its weight, the glute bridge. It wakes up the glutes, hamstrings, and core while countering the effects of long sitting. Lower back tension eases, hips regain freedom, and posture improves. In training circles, this exercise strengthens the posterior chain and balances front-to-back muscles, reducing joint stress and improving efficiency. Simple doesn't mean easy. Try 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Raise the hips slowly, pause briefly at the top, and squeeze with intent. To level up, out of band or light weight across the hips for more stimulus. So, which movement will you start today? Drop it in the comments and see what others choose. Strong habits now, by freedom later. Every repetition builds balance, power, and a body that supports you for years. Don't wait for stiffness to force action. Choose movement today. Like this video and subscribe to Winds of Thought for clear, practical guidance. Motion is the quiet cure.